Hey, what is up YouTube? Today we have a review on the Magic keyboard from Apple. And so just a wireless keyboard, you can see right here, it's nice and thin. And then we flip it over the back and you can see right there, hold on, zoom in, the Apple logo and the FCC and all that. And then you got these two little bubbles on there so it keeps it elevated. And then right there, that little plasticky thing I'm pointing to right there, that's just plastic so I can get the Bluetooth antenna through and all that. There's the power button you can click to turn the thing on. And it gets really, really good battery life. It takes two AA batteries, which you just unzip this little key that you put in there and you unscrew it. Put two AA batteries in there, and I've had it for almost a couple months now. It's really thin. And I had it a couple months now, and I still haven't replaced the batteries. I'm just showing you how thin it is right there. And I'm going to show you the buttons that it comes with. And you got escape, you got brightness, you got multi-display, you got, what's that called? Can't remember what it's called. You got the pause, rewind, fast forward, volumes, just a regular keyboard. It's really nice, and I'd highly recommend it to anybody who has a tablet or a Mac, whatever. See you next time.